Is there something that, for those of us that fall under that, because the people I retired on disability from will no longer cover people that don't have 20 years of service.
You should still qualify for something under Medicare, even if you don't qualify for the supplemental insurance. So you should qualify for basic Medicare coverage. You may not qualify, and I don't know your situation well enough for supplemental coverage, but you should certainly qualify still what are known as Medicare Part A and B. So your basic kind of coverage to enable you to go to the doctor, or heaven forbid if you got sick to have to be in the hospital, and something for prescription drugs should be covered. But one of the reasons that we need to have a public option in every state is so A, there's more competition to help control premium and out-of-pocket expenses, but also so that people are able to buy supplemental insurance regardless of their age. But you talked about prescriptions. Something that my mom first fought for back in '93 and '94 was to empower Medicare to negotiate on behalf of the tens of millions of Americans who are in Medicare for lower drug costs. We now have given the VA that authority, so the VA negotiates on behalf of our veterans, and Republicans voted to support that. So hopefully they will vote now to support giving that same authority to Medicare so that our seniors have lower drug costs. But that's also good for those of us not on Medicare yet, because Medicare pricing is totally transparent. I mean, you can go online now and see how much Medicare is paying for your services at the local hospital here in Grove City, or across the state in Cincinnati, or across the country. And because Medicare pricing is transparent, it would be hard for the drug companies to charge those of us not on Medicare yet even 3 times, much less 300 times what they would be charging people on Medicare. So giving the government the authority to do that is really important for the tens of millions of Americans who are on Medicare and for the tens of millions of us who aren't on Medicare yet.
Is Hillary opposed to the Dakota Access Pipeline? Peaceful water protesters are being arrested and